So in this video, we'll see how we can add multiple images in variation. Here you can see I have added 3 images in red and 3 images in blue. We'll see how we can do that. And so we will add an app through which we will add multiple varied images. Okay. First, what we need to do, I am logged into my Shopify admin dashboard. Now here, go on apps. I will search the app name. And the important part here it is to how to set up. Okay, like first I will install the app, then I will guide you how you can set up. Here you can see this is start editor variation app. Click on install. Install the app. It is a chargeable app. It will charge some amount on monthly basis. Okay, currently I need to just activate on my website theme to go on online store. Click on customize, then go to app embedded, variant images, save. Go back, search for app. Now, what I need to do, go on my products. I will create a product for you that you can easily able to understand. Okay, with the suppose I have created a product. Now I will upload some images. Now the important part is here. Now images are uploaded. I need to like suppose that my images are like this. They are here okay, clearly there are two color of product image. Now I want to show variation image of one color. So I need to arrange one color at a place here. First there will be red. Then I want to show the blue and also the order. Like first image will be this, second and third. You need to order all images like this. Okay. Now Now I will create a variation, go on variation here. I will select size, sorry, color. Then I will, here I need to enter value. First will be red, then there will be blue. These are my two variation. Very simple. Now let's add image. How we need to add in red? I need to click on it. Here you can see all images are arranged properly. Here I need to select red, just first image, the first image that you want to. Then in blue, I need to select the first image. Okay, important part is here. You need to focus on two things. First, you need to arrange your images as by variation and by order. Then here you need to select the first images of each variation. Now let's go to front end and see if it is working or not. Here you can see currently red is selected. When I scroll down, I only see red. When I select blue, you can see 3 images of blue. In that way, you can add images as multiple images per variation, you can say, and so on your front end. So that's very simple. You can easily do it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also it will be better if you join the membership of the channel.